supplies I used are all listed below in the description. After you print your image onto the printable vinyl, you can cut out the image. Line up the edges of the paper with the edges of the grid of the mat. Take the brayer and use it to smooth out the wrinkles so the vinyl lays flat. Place the mat into the Cricut. The sensors will search for the black lines, and when found, the Cricut will cut out the image. When the Cricut is finished cutting, unload the mat. Carefully peel away the area around the image and discard it. You can then carefully peel off the cut image. Now that you are done cutting and weeding your image, it is time to press it. Take a lint roller over your shirt before you press it to remove any dust and lint and hair particles so they do not get caught under the vinyl. Line up your shirt on the heat press. When the shirt is lined up well, carefully place the cut image onto the shirt. You want to do this quickly because the edges start to curl up when heated up. I will set my Teflon sheet on top and then check the image under it very carefully not to move the image out of its centered spot. Press the image at 350 degrees for 30 seconds if you are using Jet Pro Opaque. Once the heat press is finished, lift the press and do not peel the Teflon off. This is very important because you need to cold peel the Teflon. Remove the shirt from the press with the Teflon still attached. Lay on a flat surface and let it cool. Once it has cooled, you can very carefully remove the Teflon sheet, and you are all done.